Let's see how to watch the videos captured by a video camera on this Sony TV and a card reader. Okay, so first of all, remove the memory card from the camera. That's a Panasonic Camcorder HCV270. Okay, plug in the card into the card reader. That's an SD card, this way. Okay, now plug in the USB cable of that card reader into any of these USB ports. Let's say this one. Both of them, the USB 2 and the USB 3, should work. Okay, the LED is on, so it's recognized. Now power on the TV with that green button. Okay, and if you connect it later, it should be detected automatically, but you can access it from, let's say, the home button. So press home. Okay, and go down to this one here at apps. Go down to video and enter video. Okay, and here are the videos that are on this micro SD memory card. It's in an SD adapter. Okay, so if I click on one of them, I can watch the video. Let's try the first one. Loading video, and there it is. Okay, and if I unplug this memory card, which is not recommended, then the video stops and it cannot be played. So it was played from the memory card through a card reader. Let's try it another way. I will unplug the cable. I will set it to TV. Press the TV button. Okay, and plug in the card and then connect the card reader. So currently the TV is showing. That's a USB 2 port. That one's blinking, and the TV should show the file manager thing. USB drive connected, and let's open it with video. So go to video and open it, and you are in the same location. So either it should come on automatically, or go to the home page and select video by yourself and you can play the video. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.